1 week Hanjang Langso lockdown from today. "15 days lockdown called in Umlapher market. CM Tiliram Ronghang extends assistance towards family of disease pregnant women. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Following the rise of COVID-19 cases across the hill districts, the Hanjang Langso Bajar Committee has called for 1 week lockdown effective from today. This was decided during a meeting convened on Monday, during which several other decisions and resolutions were also adopted. The meeting, which began at 5 p.m. was presided over by Hanjang Langso Bajar Committee President Hemari Tokbi, and the purpose and agendas were briefed to the House by Secretary Rupsing Rongpi. In its meeting, the Market Committee unanimously agreed to call upon 1 week lockdown of Hanjang Langso area and market as part of their effort to stop the outbreak of the coronavirus into the area. Following this, supply of vegetables to Diphu, Nagaon, Morigaon, Jorhat, Golaghat, Tinsukia, etc. will also be completely stopped during the 1 week lockdown. The committee, however, informed that supply of vegetables weekly market will remain completely shut, but hotels will be opened under strict guidelines. The committee also adopted resolution for strict maintenance of social distance, use of facial masks, and follow of other guidelines issued by central and state government in the battle against the spread of COVID-19 virus. In addition to this, the committee stated that violators of the guidelines would have to pay fine of ₹100 and further urge upon the public of the area for their full support towards 1 week lockdown. The Hanjang Langso Bajar Committee also made appeal upon the Karbi Students Association, All Assam Students Union, Assam Jatiyabadi Yuva Chhatra Parishad, ASHA, HSA, SHG, NGOs and other organizations for their support towards the 1 week lockdown, which has been called in the greater interest and health security of all the people of the area. The meeting was also attended by former EM Rajendra Rongpi and Jivan Chandra Pathak, HSA ex-secretary Rajan Rongpi and social worker Jonasing Phangchok among others. Anand Terang reporting from Hanjang Langso. Keeping in view the rapid spread of COVID-19 and the deep concerns about the community transmission into interior areas, local bodies of several areas across the 2 Karbi districts have called for lockdown ranging from 1 week to 2 weeks. This can also be seen as the response towards the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM's call for 14 days self-isolation. The Umlapher market located on the Assam-Meghalaya border will remain closed for 15 days starting from July 14 to July 29, 2020. This decision has been jointly taken by the Umlapher Bajar Committee, Karbi Students Association, Gorkha Student Association and several other local bodies. In the meeting held on Monday, local bodies decided that during the lockdown, the market will remain open only from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning, during which public will have to strictly obey social distancing and other precautions. No vehicles coming from outside will be allowed to park in Umad Denk Light on the Maulasnai border, and local vehicles will be prohibited to travel to red zone areas. However, vehicles running on emergency services have been exempted from the purview of the local area lockdown.
ৰাতিপুৱা 6টাৰ পৰা 10টালৈ প্ৰত্যেক দোকান খোলা হ'ব, তাৰ পিছত বন্ধ কৰিব লাগিব আৰু যিবিলাক বাহিৰৰ পৰা গাড়ীবিলাক আহে সেইবিলাক গাড়ী এইখিনি এৰিয়াত কোনোৱে ষ্টপ কৰিব নোৱাৰিব, আহিব পাৰিব কিন্তু ৰখাব নোৱাৰিব, ডাইৰেক্ট যাব লাগিব। আৰু দোকানীবিলাকে প্ৰত্যেক দোকানীবিলাকে মাস্ক পিন্ধিব লাগিব, সেনিটাইজাৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব লাগিব আৰু দোকানৰ আগত সাবুন লগতে পানী বাল্টি থব লাগিব, এইবিলাক নিয়ম পালন কৰিব লাগিব।
Local bodies warned that shopkeepers found violating the rules will see their shops sealed by the committee.
Ahin pen kewang gari motor Meghalaya pen pen Puneli pen kewang gari motor same Ladakh pisang sedeji boyar area mate Molosnai border pen ha pedeng tolai musaling tinelian alang litung pesang sedeji fansin litung chuning rilo pima labang so kiso alang litung pan lok ta hai masin litung sodak pen litung ciparai pon lo lasi beng kewang akorte injir tum same mask use
Hemari Dongphar from Ulukunchi, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. MS Pangjo Stationery Humri Damra Langdamikha Labang Suakula Dalong Nanglitum Kirang Sora Hormuan Long Iji Lake Asonason Kecho Hormu Nangli Hemarlu Kapang Jangjia Pon Kenang Sora Hormu Lapen Kapre Kapre Kason Nanglitum Longpon Iji Humri Damlote Nanglitum Tegi Longji Lasi Humri Damikha Pangjo Stationery Ka Humri Dam Nang Jadim Lake Rongkhilan Dipu Manja Road Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adu Dipu Karbi Anglong Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. MSc and Deputy Chairman of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Ritesh Singhi has provided the members of Mohila Morcha with modern handloom machine. With an aim to promote the livelihood of the rural women, handloom or weaving has always been one of the most important means, and most women in the rural areas have been supporting their family through sale of weaving products. The number 16 Nomati constituency women have been provided modern handloom machinery as a more advanced form of machine. This was done with an initiative to provide training of weaving to the local youths without needing to move out of the village for attending such trainings. The materials were delivered as per the advice of the MSc through BJP Nomati Mandal Vice President Prodeving T. Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang has extended financial assistance of Rs 10,000 towards family members of pregnant woman Omphu Ingtipi who passed away of illness. The financial assistance to the immediate family members of the dead pregnant woman was extended with the aim of helping the family complete the rituals required for purification before final cremation could be carried out by believers of traditional Karbi religion. The money was handed over to the husband Raju Hanse, resident of Dipu Chirikangnap Thong Teron village by Morning Star Football Club Academy Principal Diganta Teron here on Monday. While expressing condolence towards the family, CM Ronghang said that no one can predict birth and death of any human, but what people could do is helping each other in times of trouble, urge upon everyone to be helpful to one another at all times. News report Roshan Hanse for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.